Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable to Mrs. and Mr. Lectures as an examiner the proposal today. The Honorable Mrs. Nadia Fadilah, SPD MPD, as a Coordinator Business Education Department, the Honorable Mrs. Professor Dr. Kori Yohana, and Mr. Aditya Pratama, SPD MPD, as the supervisor of my research proposal. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Maharani. I am from Business Education 2018, Faculty of Economy, State University of Jakarta. Today, I want to presenting my research proposal with the title, The Effect of Social Media Utilization, Creativity, and Emotional Intelligence on Students' Entrepreneurship Interests in Jakarta. I made this proposal as one of the requirements to obtain a bachelor's degree of education at the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. Before that, I would like to say thank you very much those who helped me to complete this proposal research, such as my family, my friend, and especially Mrs. Kori Yohana and Mr. Aditya Pratama, who helped me to give a solution and suggestion to my research proposal. Next. First one, chapter 1, introduction. Next. Problem research. In 2045, Indonesia is expected to face a golden era called Vision Indonesia 2045, attached to Bappenas. In July 2019, the result of research conducted by the World Economic Forum with C Group found that as many 35.5% of youth of Indonesia want to become entrepreneurs in the future. According to the graph of the low entrepreneurial spirit of BPS, in the Kemenpora performance, there is a low interest in entrepreneurship in college graduates. The graph explained that college graduates have an interest in working as employees. Next. Report by Alika in the katadata.co.id article, a survey conducted by C Group, as many as 54% of their micro, small, and medium enterprise, called UMKM, switched to using social media to organize during the COVID-19 pandemic by changing their strategy, marketing, and increasing sales profit. Next, research conducted by Arifah, creativity is the sensitivity of a person to see the situation in the surrounding environment and combine it with their potential to be able to generate new ideas. Emotional intelligence is a bridge between what we know and what we will do. The more emotionally intelligent a person is, he will be skilled at doing whatever he knows correctly. Next. Result of the initial survey of student entrepreneurial interest in Jakarta, researchers have conducted pre-research observation by distributing online questionnaires related to the interest in entrepreneurship and obtaining respondents as many as 33 active students from various public and private universities, while the other 6 students have no interest in becoming an entrepreneur or entrepreneurship. Next. Supported by the result of professional research that responds after graduating from college, it can be seen that the profession of being an entrepreneur is only 21.2%, which is said to be low when compared to the profession of private employees as much as 42.4%, civil servants 33.3%, and other choice being human research 3%. The conclusion from the pre-research on student interest in entrepreneurship in Jakarta, with a total of 33 respondents, it can be said that the respondents have an interest in entrepreneurship, but after graduating from college, they choose to apply for a work in a company rather than opening a business. Next. Research question. 1. Will the effect of social media utilization affect student entrepreneurship interest in Jakarta? 2. Will creativity affect student entrepreneurship interest in Jakarta? 3. Will emotional intelligence affect student entrepreneurship interest in Jakarta? Next. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Theoretical background, entrepreneurship interest, availability to work hard or be willing to try to fulfill their needs without being afraid of the risks that will be faced, learn from failures experience, and develop the business they have created. Social media utilization. Social media is used by entrepreneurs in their business network. It can go beyond marketing and research about its products and be used to attract investors to fund ventures. Creativity. Creativity is the novelty of ideas and products where this can arise from existing data or information so that these ideas and products can be realized in real terms. Lastly, emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a bridge between what we know and what we will do. The more emotionally intelligent a person is, he will be skilled at doing whatever he knows correctly. Next. Relevant research. Variable-free social media utilization to variable-bound entrepreneurship interest, searched by Du et al., Suratno, Listiawati, Gusina, Murni, and Sudarsana. Result is the social media utilization has a positive effect on interest in entrepreneurship. Creativity to variable-bound entrepreneurship interest, research by Milonas, Dewi Tasitjawa, Imam Bahari. Result, creativity has a positive effect on interest in entrepreneurship. Lastly, emotional intelligence to entrepreneurship interest, searched by Miao, Nugrahaningsih, Risanti, Halimah, Aban, and Tanusi. Result is emotional intelligence has a positive effect on interest in entrepreneurship. Next. Theoretical framework and hypothesis. Hypothesis 1, social media utilization will influence entrepreneurship interest. Hypothesis 2, creativity will influence entrepreneurship interest. Hypothesis 3, emotional intelligence will influence entrepreneurship interest. Next. Chapter 3, research method. Research time, January 2022 until July 2022. Data collection technique by questionnaire. Research place at DKI Jakarta. Research approach by quantitative survey. Next. Population, active student in DKI Jakarta, sample, active students who live in DKI Jakarta, have taken entrepreneurship course or related to entrepreneurship and are in the age range of 18 until 24 years or student of the 2018 until 2021 class. Respondent, 200 respondent by higher Ma'arif, sample size of 100 to 400 subjects are recommended for models that require the use of structural equation modeling SAR. Entrepreneurship instrument grids, entrepreneurship interest, original indicator, desire to become a business owner, personal challenge, flexibility, and profit. Desire to become a business owner, I have confidence that I can develop my business. I feel free to manage my own business. Personal challenge, I dare to take risks in entrepreneurship. Flexibility, I like work with flexible hours. Profit, I feel proud to be an entrepreneur because I can feel the benefits and create jobs. Next. Social media utilization, original indicator by Anthony Mayfield. Participation, I take advantage of social media features to introduce the business I will start. Opens, I can find out someone's business product from uploads on social media. Conversation, but I take advantage of the messaging features on social media to start a conversation with consumers. And lastly, connection. Social media makes it easier to connect with consumers. Next. Creativity by Susanto. Original indicator, thinking skill. I have high curiosity, imagination ability. Imagination help me in making a work. Ability to appreciate creativity makes me appreciate every process of a work. And last, ability to ask question. I'm able to express opinions spontaneously and not shy. Next, instrument grades emotional intelligence by Goleman. Original indicator, recognizing your own emotion. Adaptation indicator is I can validate any emotion I feel. Managing emotion, I can calm my emotion when I face a problem. When I feel emotion, I do positive activities as a distraction. Motivate yourself. In doing something, I always give positive affirmation. I believe I can do it for myself. Building relationship. In building relationship with customers, I can provide excellent service. Next. Likert scale, 5-point by measuring scale. The answer choice consists of the 5 scale choice such as strongly agree, agree, undecided, disagree, and strongly disagree. Next. Data analysis technique, validity test, exploratory factor analysis, EVA. This research used the guideline of factor loading value. By taking a sample of 200 respondents, an indicator can be declared valid if the loading factor is greater than or equal to 0.40. Next. Reliable test. This study used SPSS, statistical package for the social science, to test the reliability. Testing using Cronbach alpha, if the value of the questionnaire result is greater than 0.70, then the instrument can be declared reliable. Next, hypothesis test. This study used structural equation modeling, SAM, technology with almost 21 software. In this case, the researcher used SPSS for Windows version 25 software to test the validity with exploratory factor analysis EVA and structural equation model SAM. Goodness of fit index, chi-square, Chemin, Ramsey, GFI, AGFI, TLE, and CFI. Next. And that's all from me about the presentation of my research proposal. Thank you for the time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.